Livvi is helping you make new girlfriends in your city in a way that actually makes sense. With small, compatible group matches. That means no swiping, no scrolling through thousands of people on digital forums, and no showing up to events alone. How does Livvi work? Download the app, fill out our onboarding survey, and create your user profile. Livvi uses this insight to help us find you a compatible small group match of 5 to 8 other women. Livvi's AI algorithm does the searching and sifting for you to find you compatible friends. Join your group and start socializing. Livvi's concierge helps the group plan by sending polls and recommendations on places to meet up based on the group's preferences and availabilities. We make the groups, but the groups make the fun. Meet your Livvi group in person and start building new friendships. Get matched again to continue meeting more women IRL. Let's get ready to Livvi it up. Livvi.